Health officials say these new variants mean even people who were previously exposed to the virus or vaccinated are less protected from catching it. News 19's Madison Neal joins us now with the latest.
The Alabama Department of Public Health is reporting nearly 2,000 COVID cases every day, and the numbers have gradually gone up since April. Back then, they were only reporting about 100 a day. Doctors tell me they believe that the case numbers are likely very underreported. The Alabama Department of Public Health says COVID-19 case numbers and hospitalizations are rising rapidly again.
Now we're around 640 people in the hospital. About 16 of those are kids, whereas in early April, we only had about 50 in the hospital statewide.
Dr. Wes Stubblefield says now the data focus is shifting.
We know it's vastly underreported due to either people not testing or people testing and not seeking care.
State health officials aren't as worried with counting cases as they are with looking at the big picture trends.
What the trends are showing is that there's more activity, there's more disease, there's more people going to the hospital, and that's when people need to pay attention, especially when those community levels start to shift to medium and high.
Dr. Stubblefield says watching trends can help people take personal responsibility
in terms of when to start masking, indoor masking, when to worry about their the vulnerable family members, those that are older, have chronic medical conditions, things like that.
He says the uptick is a combination of factors.
Summer travel, gathering, more chances for virus to spread, waning immunity from the Omicron spike, which happened about 6 months ago, and then the onset of these new variants that have immune escapes.
And that each new variant in the Omicron family is growing more contagious.
They've been able to evade the immune system, both the infection-induced immunity and the vaccine-induced immunity, or a combination.
Dr. Stubblefield says that even though the vaccines are becoming less effective for keeping people from getting COVID-19, he believes they are still keeping people from getting that severe infection. Reporting live tonight in Huntsville, Madison Neal, News 19.